name's Kristen, and I'm an education program lead for Learning Undefeated. Today we're going to be doing a fun experiment called the Stroop test. And what it's going to help to show you is how your brain kind of focuses on different pieces of information. Now you might think that your brain takes in all the information that's around you, but it actually has to prioritize what it wants to focus on each time. So this test will help you to see what exactly your brain is focusing on in this task. So to do this, what you'll need are these little printouts. So these have just different colors written out, and then you'll need some either colored pencils or some markers. What you're going to do is you're going to create two separate sets. So you'll have one set where all of those color cards are colored into the appropriate thing. So blue is written in blue, green is written in green, so on. Your second set is going to be a little bit different. So the color inside of the word has to be different than the word itself. So in this case, gray is written in blue, green could be written in yellow, it just has to be a different color. Okay, so once you have those sets all done and colored and ready, then we're good to get started. All right, so here we have Mike, our test subject for today, and in front of him he has our first set of cards. So the color inside matches the word that's written. So his goal is to just state the color that it's written in as fast as he can and get through the whole stack. And I'm going to be timing him with a separate device over here. Michael, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, Ben, on your mark. Get set, go.
Brown, purple, white, black, gray, orange, red, pink, yellow, green, blue.
All right, and so with that, we ended up with a time of about 9.7 seconds. Good job. All right, so now what he's going to do is he's going to do the same thing with the second set of cards. Keep in mind, these ones have the color that is different from the word. His goal is still just to say the color, though. Okay, so Michael, go ahead and grab that next stack. And your goal is the same. You're just going to go ahead and say the color, not the word.
Got it.
Ready? Wait, let me start this over. Ready? Set, go.
Blue, green, black, purple, gray, red, pink, blue, green, orange, yellow.
All right, so that was just about 10 or so seconds, so it did take him slightly longer to get that done. But we see that when, Michael, how was it going through the second stack?
I had to think about it a little bit more.
Right, you have to think about it a little bit more. So we see that it takes a little bit longer to just read the color when the word doesn't match it. Now some people think that's because we read faster than we interpret color. Another theory is that we just process words faster than we process a color as well. But it all comes down to the way your brain focuses and uses attention. So try this at home, try it on different members of your family, and see what happens if maybe you try it on some of your younger siblings that don't know how to read yet. They should be able to go through both stacks at the same time, right? Because all they're doing is identifying color, and they won't have those kind of words tripping them up like it might trip up you. So hopefully this was fun for you. If you want to see some more at-home experiments, go ahead and check out learningundefeated.org/at-home science.